Hey you guys, welcome to my video. So I did a really bomb twist out the other day with flaxseed gel, and I just wanted to show you guys how to make the gel and how to do the twist out. So if you're interested, keep watching. Alright, so hey everyone. So to start, you're going to need a pot, 2 measuring cups, a half a cup, and a 1/4 cup. You're going to need some flax seeds. I got mine from my local natural food store. This is lavender essential oil, but you can use whatever essential oil you want. This is a stocking cap, and this is just a bowl that we're going to put our mixture in. So starting off, I'm just filling the pot with 2 cups of water. Then 1/4 cup of flaxseed, and then we're just going to throw that on the stove because the recipe is really easy. I'm putting it on medium heat, and that's what it looks like. Now during this process, you want to just mix it and make sure that the seeds don't stick to the bottom. And when it starts boiling like this, like gets that little film on top, that's time to take your mixture off. If you leave it on, it's gonna get more slimy and jelly-like. If you don't leave it on, it's gonna be like a light slime. So I like mine a light slime, so I take mine off as soon as the film shows up. This is my bowl. I put the cap over top of the bowl to catch the seeds, and I'm just gonna carefully pour it out. So you guys, this mixture is extremely hot, so I'm just going to put it into the refrigerator to let it cool off for like 30 minutes. I'm going to keep the stocking cap in there, and yeah, it was still warm when I pulled it out the refrigerator too. So when I take it back out the refrigerator, I actually lost the clip where I am like squeezing all the stuff out of it, which is probably for the best because it's pretty gross looking. It reminds me of something I'm not going to mention. And this is pretty much the concoction you're left with after you completely get all of the gel out of the stocking. So yeah, that's basically it. So hey you guys, I'm back. I did most of my hair, leaving out the front so that you guys can see how I'm going to be doing this twist out. My hair is already saturated with leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to be going in with the Melanin Hair Care Oil Blend, and I don't put it on like any type of way. I just drizzle it on, I guess you can say. You can see it's like dripping everywhere, and I just like massage it into the hair follicles. I don't know why I said it like that. It's kind of an awkward phrase, but whatever. Adding more as needed. I do the LOC method, which is leave-in, oil, and cream. So now I'm going to be going in with the Melanin Hair Care Style Cream. Take a good amount, not too much. And then I'm just going to be massaging that into the hair follicles. What do people say? It's not hair follicles. Massaging it into my hair. Yeah. So after I feel like it's fully saturated, I'm just going to go in with a comb, separate out like a part of hair that I would like to start working with, clip the excess hair, and then I'm going to get my flaxseed gel. Now this is what the flaxseed gel looks like when it's still a tiny bit warm, but it's much thicker than before, you guys. And also, the directions for the flaxseed gel will be in the description box, just in case you were wondering. So I'm going to be taking a bit of gel and putting that over it. So I guess it's like the LOCD, leave-in, oil, cream, and then gel. But yeah, it gives great definition. I did a wash and go with flaxseed gel, and it turned out phenomenal. I have pictures on my Instagram. So anyways, back to this. I just detangled, and I'm using one of those like Felicia Leatherwood brushes that like the bristles separate, and I really love that type of brush. And basically, I'm just going to twist my hair up. And just to give you guys some pointers on how to actually do the twist out. So make sure you are not borrowing hair when you are twisting down. What I mean by that is, you know, when you get to the end and your twist may not be even, like it might be a little bit harder to twist the hair around itself. Do not borrow from the other side, because then when it's time to take it down, you're going to see a lot of frizz. When it gets to the end like that, just curl it around your finger and call it a day, or undo the whole twist and try to do it again. Yes, because borrowing causes frizz. Next, make sure your hair is fully detangled. Like, that makes a huge difference in how long the style is going to last and how it looks when you take it out. You do not want single strand knots. Lastly, I know this might sound a little bit out there, but a good trim really makes a twist out look really good, because the ends of your hair kind of make or break your twist out. Like, you want those curly, cute ends. And when your hair is like damaged or split, it's really not going to give you the results you want. So just make sure your hair is healthy. Like, try to get it healthy state, because I'm telling you, I notice a huge difference between when my hair was not trimmed and when it is trimmed, and how my twist outs look. So yeah, I'm probably going to come back another video and do more tips, but for now, those are the ones that are sticking out in my mind. Hope they were helpful, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next clip. Hey everyone, so it is exactly like 2 days later, and I'm going to be taking down a twist. This is what they look like. Now if you see some of the ends, they're not like, well, that one's pretty curled, but some of them kind of straightened out a little bit in some areas. So what I'm going to do, spray a little bit of water. I don't know why this bottom, I refuse to like add more, and I just refresh it. I'm not trying to get it wet, not really even damp, just to get it moving. This is what they're looking like. Well, I'm going to be taking a little bit of coconut oil. There it goes. And I'm going to put it on my fingers. I know I could use the almond oil from the Melanin Hair Care line, but I like the way this one smells. Just rubbing it in. I'm going to actually also separate my hair. So the takedown process is low-key like the most important thing. So what I do is I kind of unravel it. And what I said before about borrowing, see how it just came apart like that? It wouldn't have done that if I had borrowed hair from the other side. And then I just go in, see where it separates, twist it up. See where it separates. Oh, there it is. And then twist it up so it curls. And that is one twist. And I'm going to be doing that for my whole head. So we're probably going to start speeding it up about now. So yeah, that's basically it for this tutorial. My hair is all done. I don't really want to... The last piece I'm separating. So yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
On the track, boy.